A.
Piss take.
Production.
This is the first test ride with the Vandemon Exhaust on. The big question, is the bike now angry? Now you can see that the headers are starting to blue. They've got a nice purple colouring to it. The bike, from what I've felt, it actually feels snappy. When it's in race mode, it's race mode. There's one little thing I've got to finalise with the exhaust. I'm taking that up with the manufacturer. It pops and crackles just a little bit. Oh shit. Oh, this thing's a beast. I reckon it sounds better than the Duke R. And that had the Arrow exhaust on. What an angry bike. Scooter McGavin. It actually feels like a motorcycle now. Thanks, mate. The performance has drastically changed. It's a whole different beast. It just responds. This bike can breathe. It's a fire-breathing dragon. Let's check this. Missing gear then, but that's the first test ride in. I was going to go over a few other little things, but yeah, what a beast. I'm going to extend the video, and that means extend the test ride with the exhaust. Now I'm going to talk about the whole installation process. I'm going to say it's even daunting for myself to take on that project. I think this was the biggest procedure to get an exhaust on that I've ever done. Now this bike, yeah, I can't believe how many components you have to take off just to get to the header exhaust. So yeah, what a task. It took me 2 days to do the job. Now, if you're going to pay someone $120 an hour to do the installation, yeah, I think it's worth it doing, you know, attempting and achieving to do it, because there you go, that's some savings. So all that, like, it's not a cheap exhaust by all means, but if you can do the installation, you can offset the cost of, you know, the whole. Yeah, you can offset the cost of the whole, you know, bike build by doing the installation. This bike is totally different. It's hard to explain. It's a totally different bike. It feels even a lot more lighter. It's twitchy. I mean, in fourth as well is more snap, as where third, you would rely on third. Here we go. Vandemon Performance Exhaust. Taking it on Seacliff Bridge. Watch the bump. Very windy day today. It'll be interesting to see the difference with fuel consumption. The sound also isn't, you know, obnoxious. It's not got, it hasn't got a drone to it like the Yamaha MT-09 with that Acropovic setup. This is, it's just a well rounded sound. I'll tell you what, the engine's become way more alive. You can feel it through the handlebars. It's increased the vibration substantially, really. I'm gonna have to probably put some bar weights in. You can even see the brake levers. This engine's just alive, well and truly. Anyway, that's signing off. I don't know what the next episode will be. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.